Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Mehndi. You are watching my YouTube channel, Decorative Dream. I hope you all are fine. Today I have came with a new, exciting and beautiful Mehndi, round Mehndi designs. You know, this is wedding season, so that's why I have thought to bring you here with my Mehndi designs. I hope you liking my video. I have collect all these unique and beautiful Mehndi designs for you. I hope you will like these designs. Oh, this is so good. Oh wow, so unique, easy and beautiful designs. Easy to make. I know every girl is so excited for Mehndi design. Wow, this is so good. I have made this design on my own hands. Okay friends, we will meet in next video. If you like my video, then please like, share and comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.